Stuart, thanks very much. Well, a beautiful sunrise for many of us this morning on what has been a rather pleasant Friday. Plenty of blue sky and sunshine. In fact, unbroken sunshine for some of us at points today, with highs of around 20 Celsius, which is a near normal 68 degrees Fahrenheit. But it is going to be getting warmer and more humid. More about that in a moment. But tonight, dry with some long clear spells. I think perhaps a bit of patchy mist and fog in places. Mainly light winds from the southeast, and temperatures about where they should be for the time of year, between about 10 and 12 Celsius. Those are your lows. So Saturday, it looks like we've got high pressure plonked right over the top of us. So it is looking generally a fine and dry day. We can't rule out an odd isolated shower, but I think for most of us a good deal of blue sky and sunshine again. Temperatures at best, well, a pleasant 21 Celsius, which is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. You probably notice we are expecting a very high pollen count. That's not such good news. But again, we've got just a very gentle southeasterly breeze. And then Sunday. Well, the weather very dependent on the exact position of this low pressure, but this is how it stands at the moment. Looks like a fine and dry start with some sunshine, but that sunshine is likely to turn increasingly cloudy and I think hazy, and we're likely to see some showers. Now, more about those in a moment, but very humid on Sunday, highs of around 23 Celsius, 73 degrees Fahrenheit, with light to moderate easterly winds. Now, the Met Office has actually issued a yellow warning from midday on Sunday. You can see at the moment it's just affecting the extreme west of our region. But at this stage, there's still a lot of uncertainty as to how far east those thunderstorms are actually going to get. And if you do eventually see one, and they're most likely actually during Sunday evening, they could produce some torrential rain with the risk of flooding with perhaps 50 millimetres in places. But I think for many of us, Sunday could be largely fine and dry, with that yellow warning, as I said, in place for the extreme west of the region on Sunday. But then two further yellow warnings in place on Monday and Tuesday. Now, they cover a larger part of the region, but again, confidence is low as to the exact position of those thunderstorms. And Wednesday, Thursday and Friday are fine and dry on the chart. But again, with things staying warm and humid, we can't rule out some thunderstorms on those days too. And as for overnight lows, we have got some humid ones on the way, especially on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday night. That's the forecast. Back to Stuart.